Imagine earning $400k from a simple digital product that takes almost no effort to create. Today, we dive into the digital product called Junk Journal Designs, a product with huge potential that still has minimal competition. I found a store that is making $7k a month from these designs, and in today's video, I'll walk you through how to create one of these top-selling designs using AI, how to create an eye-catching thumbnail for this product, and also a link to over 500 prompts to help you kickstart this similar business. After finding this shop that has generated over $400k in total revenue from selling these digital products, I decided to browse their listing for inspiration on design that could perform well if I sell today. And I found two methods to do this, with the second method being the easiest. The first was sorting the reviews by most recent and check among this listing that had recent repeated sales. The second method was to input the shop name into the shop analyzer tool from Alura, a paid service to view product performance and easily identify which one had the most recent sales. And after my analysis, one design that really stood out was this hippie old lady junk journal paper, which has made 3 sales in the last 24 hours, indicating high demand. And by sorting the reviews by most recent, I could confirm that this product continued to generate sales this month, showing that customers are actively searching for this type of designs. To achieve this type of designs using AI, you need a well-crafted prompt to generate this result. But before I generated the image, I studied a thumbnail to understand how to replicate these designs. And after my observation, I realized that this seller used AI to create the background separately, generated the character on a white background, then used a background removal tool to eliminate the background before merging both images using an editing platform. To start this experiment, I'll be using 3 free AI platforms to accomplish these tasks. The first is Canva Magic Media for creating the background, which is best for junk journal designs. To use this AI, I signed into Canva, created a custom site for portrait designs. Once I was in, I went ahead and pasted my prompt for the background, which was in a junk journal paper, imagine handwritten text. I adjusted the aspect ratio to portrait and hit generate. After several attempts, I went with this design. Then I placed it and scaled it to fit the canvas. Next, I move on to generating the character, and I found a free platform called Ideogram AI. I chose this AI tool because it can generate a similar character to the style offered by this seller. To get started, I click on this plus icon, which takes me to the prompt section. Before I wrote my prompt, I revisited the product's name to gather keywords that could enhance my prompt. I also noticed that these characters had a joyous dancing pose, which provided enough information to craft an effective prompt. After experimenting with several prompts, here's the format I used to achieve the best result. First, I describe the background on a white background. After this, I follow with the character description. Imagine a whimsical vintage art style of a chubby elderly woman, and I provided what she wore in a loose tie and dye top and flared jeans. Finally, I provided the pose and the style of the prompt, which was joyously dancing, full body, illustration painting art style. I included full body to prevent the AI from generating an out of frame result. And this is another prompt I created for this style of result. Using this format, I was able to create an even better designs. What's even more exciting is that I decided to create 100 additional prompts for anyone interested in adding this type of design to their store. You'll find a link in the description, along with a link to other top-selling junk journal designs. And a big thanks to my amazing Patreon supporters for making this possible. Now that we have the background and the character images ready, the next step is to remove the background from the character image and finalize the design in Canva. First, I reopen the project where I created the background and import the character image. However, Canva's background removal is only available in the paid version. So to get around this, I found a free platform called v45.org that offers a background removal tool. After signing in and connecting your Etsy shop, you receive 250 free credits. Head over to the background removal features, upload your image and remove the background. I've included a link to this platform in the description so you can try it out. Once I was done, I placed the character onto the background in Canva and exported the final design as PNG or JPEG. I repeated the same process to the other characters, and here's what I came up with. But you're not done yet. To attract more attention to your product, there are 2 key things you need to focus on, and one of them is creating a compelling thumbnail. And a great thumbnail can make a huge difference to your listings. Now, to create a stand-up thumbnail, I first look at some of the best performing product thumbnail in this niche for inspiration. I created a 4x4 Etsy thumbnail size in Canva, then searched for a vintage background in the element section. Added a vintage paper. Next, I imported my design and positioned it within the vintage paper to achieve that rough and authentic look. And I repeated this process for the other designs. To add that finishing touch, I apply a drop shadow. To do this, I click on Effects, Effects again, and selected Shadow and choose Drop Shadow for the finishing result. The second important step is to use the same tag as your competitors. To do this, go to Alura Shop Analyzer and paste the name of the store whose tag you want to copy. Select the product among their listings and you'll be able to see the tag they use. By using the same tag, you increase the chances of your product being seen when customers search for your competitor's product. And if you're having trouble uploading more than 5 designs in one listings, the best approach is to upload all your designs in a Google Drive folder and create a PDF page with a clickable button linking to that Google Drive folder. This way, customers can easily access all your designs. For more details about this, I've included a link in the description. Finally, I hope this information got to you well. Thanks for watching, like and subscribe, and I'll catch you on the next one.